Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the earbuds. Charge them, pair to your phone, and open the Bose Music app. Once paired, make sure firmware is current because noise cancellation algorithms improve with updates. In the app, select your QuietComfort model and accept prompts for permissions. This lets the app access adaptive noise control and headphone profiles. Now you're ready for the first actionable setting. Locate noise-canceling controls in the device tile so you can switch from off to active modes and access presets. Once done with pairing, dive into the ANC controls. You choose a preset, quiet for max isolation, aware for ambient pass-through, or off, then refine with the ANC strength slider to balance comfort versus isolation. Make sure to enable aware mode when you need situational awareness and adjust its level so voices come through naturally. Also, toggle active EQ and pick the best Bluetooth codec in your phone settings to reduce latency and preserve sound quality while noise canceling runs. To finish, verify the physical fit because a proper seal makes ANC effective. Try alternative eartips and perform a short walk test while toggling modes. Once satisfied, make sure auto updates are enabled and set auto off to suit your use. If noise canceling acts strangely, reset the connection. Restart earbuds, repair, and if needed, perform a factory reset from the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if hiss or uneven cancellation appears, check fit first. Most ANC issues are mechanical, not software.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.